Do you know why most traders blow up their accounts? Because they go all in at once. Real investors don't do that. Today, I'll show you the real magic formula. Let's say you have $100. If you put all of it into a single trade and the price moves just 10% against you, your account is almost gone. One wrong move, game over. But if you split that $100 into $10 parts, it's a completely different story. Your first trade goes against you, no problem. You add another $10 at the next signal and another. Your average price improves and your account stays safe. The real key is leverage. If you use low leverage like 0.5x or 1x, no matter how far the market goes against you, your account won't get wiped out. Even a black swan event won't liquidate you. This is the real trading formula. Go small, scale in, and use low leverage. That way, losing everything becomes almost impossible. In trading, surviving is winning. Here at Prime Trade Club, this is our philosophy. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to stay in the game. Because if you stay in the game, you win. Subscribe and join the club.